Hey everyone, welcome back! Today we're diving into a topic that's sure to grab your attention and maybe even make you blush a little. Let's be honest, we've all been there, wondering if someone special is interested in taking things to the next level. Well, get ready because we're about to decode the mystery. We're talking about the 7 biggest hints she wants you in bed. Don't miss these. We're going to break down those subtle signs that often get lost in translation. You know, those little gestures and hints that speak volumes if you know what to look for. You won't want to miss these subtle signs that could change your love life forever. Sign 1. She's touchy-feely. Okay, first up, let's talk about body language. They say actions speak louder than words, and that's especially true when it comes to attraction. Has she been initiating physical contact more often? And no, I'm not talking about anything inappropriate. I'm talking about those sweet little touches that send shivers down your spine. Maybe she brushes her hand against yours when you're walking side by side. Or she playfully punches your arm when you make her laugh. Or perhaps she finds excuses to fix your hair or adjust your collar. You know, like a friendly game of oops, you had a little something on your face. These seemingly innocent touches can actually be a major sign that she's feeling a physical connection with you. It's like she can't resist reaching out and getting a little closer. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little playful touch now and then? It's all about those butterflies, people. But remember, everyone expresses affection differently, so don't overthink every little touch. Just pay attention to how she interacts with you compared to others. Is she more touchy-feely with you? Does she seem to linger a little longer when she does touch you? If so, well, my friend, it might be time to break out your best dance moves, because things are heating up. Sign 2. You look great. The power of compliments. Alright, next up we have the classic compliment. Now everyone loves a good compliment, right? But when she's constantly showering you with praise, it might mean she's got a little crush on you. Is she always telling you how good you look? Maybe she comments on your new haircut or how great your outfit is. Or maybe she just can't stop raving about your dazzling smile. And here's the thing about compliments. They release endorphins in the brain. Endorphins make people happy. Happy people are more likely to, well, want to be around other happy people. So if she's constantly complimenting you, it means she's happy when she's around you. And that's a good thing. But here's the catch. It's not just about the compliments themselves. It's about the way she delivers them. Does she get a little flustered when she compliments you? Does she seem a little nervous or giggly? Those, my friends, are the telltale signs of a crush. Because let's be honest, when we like someone, we all turn into a bit of a goofball around them. We can't help but giggle and blush and trip over our words. So if she's showering you with compliments and acting a little shy about it, well, it might be time to make your move. Sign 3. Eyes are the windows to the soul and the bedroom. Okay. Let's talk about eye contact. Because let's be honest, eye contact can be hot. It's like a direct line to someone's soul, or at least to their heart. And when she's making deep, lingering eye contact with you, it's a sure sign that she's interested. Think about it. We make eye contact with people all the time, right? But there's a difference between a casual glance and a smoldering gaze. When she holds your gaze for a beat longer than usual, it's like she's trying to send you a message without saying a word. It's like she's saying, I see you, I like what I see, and I want to see more. And trust me, you'll know it when you see it. It's the kind of eye contact that makes your heart skip a beat and your palms get a little sweaty. But here's the thing about eye contact. It can also be a two-way street. So if you're catching her making eyes at you, don't be afraid to hold her gaze for a moment. Let her know that you're interested too. Who knows, that little bit of eye contact could be the start of something beautiful, or at least a really fun night. Sign 4. The invitation for more. All right, this next sign is a big one. When she goes out of her way to spend time alone with you, it's a clear indication that she enjoys your company on a deeper level. Think about it. We're all busy people, right? We've got jobs, friends, families, hobbies, and let's be honest, sometimes we just need a little me time. So, when someone consistently makes an effort to carve out time for you in their busy schedule, it means you're important to them. It could be something as simple as asking you to grab coffee after work or suggesting you catch a movie together. Maybe she even invites you to join her for a walk in the park or to run errands with her. Whatever it is, the key here is that she's choosing to spend her precious free time with you, and not just in a group setting, but one-on-one. She's seeking out those moments where it's just the two of you, which means she enjoys your company and wants to get to know you better. And who knows, maybe those errands will turn into a romantic dinner, or that walk in the park will lead to a moonlit stroll hand in hand. The possibilities are endless. Sign 5, Pillow Talk Intimate Conversations. Now let's talk about conversations. You know, those late-night chats that go on for hours and leave you feeling all warm and fuzzy inside. When she starts opening up to you about personal things, it's a sign that she trusts you and feels comfortable being vulnerable with you. It's like she's inviting you into her inner circle, sharing her hopes, dreams, fears, and maybe even a few embarrassing childhood stories. She might talk about her past relationships, her thoughts on love and intimacy, or even her deepest desires. These conversations are a far cry from small talk about the weather or the latest celebrity gossip. They're a sign that she sees you as someone she can confide in, someone she can be herself around. And let's be honest, vulnerability is sexy. It takes courage to let someone see the real you, flaws and all. So when she's willing to open up to you on that level, it's a major sign that she's attracted to you on both a physical and emotional level. Sign 6, Flirting, the Language of Attraction. Okay, let's be honest. Flirting is the oldest trick in the book, and for good reason. It's fun, it's playful, and it's a great way to create some chemistry. So if she's flirting with you, it's a pretty clear sign that she's interested. But what exactly qualifies as flirting? Well, it can be anything from playful teasing and lighthearted banter to more suggestive comments and lingering touches. Maybe she teases you about your taste in music or challenges you to a game of pool. Or perhaps she compliments your sense of humor and finds excuses to brush against you. And then there's the classic hair flip and the flirty wink. You know, those little gestures that are almost impossible to misinterpret. They're like silent sirens, signaling that she's ready to play. But here's the thing about flirting. It's all about reading between the lines. It's about picking up on those subtle cues and responding in kind. So if you're feeling a little playful, don't be afraid to flirt back. Who knows, that little bit of playful banter could lead to a whole lot more. Sign 7, the Home Turf Invitation. Alright, this last sign is about as clear as it gets. When she invites you over to her place, it's a strong indication that she's interested in taking things to the next level. Think about it. Our homes are our sanctuaries, our personal spaces where we feel most comfortable and relaxed. So when she invites you into her inner sanctum, it's a big deal. It means she trusts you enough to let you see where she lives, how she lives, and maybe even meet her cat, Mr. Whiskers. It's an opportunity for you to get to know her on a deeper level, to see her in her element, and to create some lasting memories together. But here's the thing about being invited over to her place. It's important to be respectful of her space and her boundaries. Don't assume that an invitation to watch a movie automatically means you're staying the night. Pay attention to her cues and let her set the pace. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, especially when it comes to intimacy. So don't be afraid to talk about your expectations and make sure you're both on the same page. 7 signs she's giving you the green light. So there you have it, the 7 biggest hints she wants you in bed. Remember, communication is key in any relationship, so don't be afraid to have an open and honest conversation with her about your feelings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.